Our environment is constantly changing, and we're all making choices that have an impact now and into the future. Environmental leadership is everyone's responsibility. As an architect, builder or homeowner, rich dark colour is an important part of your building design and decoration. Unfortunately, dark colours soak up the sun and get hotter and hotter as the day progresses. How would you like to design in a world where dark colours don't need to be hot colours, where deep tone aesthetics and functionality go hand in hand? What you're about to see could change your approach to building design, restoration and maintenance. Aztec Paints Australia proudly presents Energy Star infrared heat reflective coatings. Aztec Energy Star coatings reduce the amount of sunlight your building will absorb, dramatically lowering heat buildup on all construction surfaces. White has always been a summer colour because it keeps things cool. Light shades reflect heat, whereas dark colours have always meant heat buildup. Consumers, however, want the option of having dark coloured buildings. Aztec Energy Star coatings stay cool and come in a wide range of colours, including dark, rich colours that would otherwise generate the most heat buildup. Here's how they work. Sunlight is white light, a mixture of all colours of the spectrum. There are two primary components to the sunlight that reaches our Earth's surface: visible and infrared. Visible is what we see as colour and makes up roughly 46% of the spectrum. Yet more than half the spectrum consists of infrared light, invisible, and until now, unconsidered. Infrared light, because it is invisible, does not affect colour, but it does have an effect on the rate and extent of heat buildup. Absorbed infrared is transferred into heat, warming the surface and surrounding areas. Pastel colours are good reflectors of this light, but conventional dark colours absorb it, causing high heat buildup. Aztec Energy Star coatings work by reflecting infrared light. To demonstrate our coating technology, we painted two panels the same colour. The one on the left with Aztec Energy Star and the one on the right using standard non-heat reflective paint. This video, taken by a thermal imaging camera, illustrates the temperature difference between the two surfaces. As you can see, the conventional panel heats up much faster and to a greater degree than the panel with Energy Star technology. The Aztec panel remains 35 degrees cooler because it reflects away infrared light before it can be converted into damaging heat. This translates into savings for the consumer in cooling costs, provides a positive result for our environment, and more. Architects and engineers through building design influence quality of life and resource conservation. Quality of life is an especially important concept in urban living with increasing development. Cities are becoming less livable, economically, socially, environmentally. Replacement of vegetation which reflects heat by buildings which absorb heat creates a phenomenon known as urban heat island. The result is a 5 to 10 degree increase in temperature over the surrounding areas. Global studies have shown that the use of heat-reflective building materials could save billions of dollars in air conditioning costs. The cooling effect would in turn reduce ozone by 4 to 8%, saving billions of additional dollars per year in health-related costs. A building's thermal performance can be improved by making it reflective to sunlight. Our range of infrared heat-reflective coatings prevent heat buildup while adding the appeal of darker colours. Because their performance is enhanced with reflective technology, they remain cool. These affordable coatings are now widely used to beautify the exterior of homes and commercial properties, internationally and throughout Australia. A hot roof increases a building's energy consumption. An immediate benefit of using our coatings during new construction or restoration is the resulting energy cost savings. These savings are substantial enough that Aztec infrared heat reflective coatings have qualified as energy efficient products under the EPA's Energy Star program. They meet the Energy Star specification for cool coatings and strict energy efficient guidelines set by the Environmental Protection Agency. Additionally, more and more states and communities are including reflectivity in building codes and incentive programs. The Building Code of Australia has classified roofing into light and dark categories, determined by their solar absorbance. The New South Wales Building and Sustainability Index has classified roofing into light, medium and dark categories, determined by their solar absorbance. Aztec Energy Star Slate Grey is a dark colour, yet through its heat reflective performance has achieved BASIC's compliance in the medium classification and will provide insulation and/or roof space concessions in building verification software such as NATHA's. Heat accelerates the degradation of exterior coatings, especially in a standard, non-heat reflective dark colour. Because our products remain cool even in a black, colour, gloss, elasticity, adhesion and other physical properties are extended. Quite simply, the less heat build-up on the coating, the longer they last. A winning formula that translates into long-term cost savings and positive results for the consumer and our environment. We at Aztec Paints Australia are in our 28th year of serving the industries that build our homes, workplaces and recreational areas, both internationally and throughout Australia. Established in 1978, we're an Australian-owned and operated company that is proud of not only supplying high-performance architectural coatings, but also knowing that our dedicated research has produced a range of products that complements the ever-changing needs of our environment. Aztec Energy Star heat reflective coatings will help you design cool buildings without sacrificing colour. Good for energy conservation, our environment and the quality of life. Choose Aztec Energy Star coatings with confidence and paint with pride.